Here's a Snap-on tool haul for you guys here. First thing we got a 17 millimeter to a 50 millimeter socket set. This is $955. And I mean, it's nice. 3/4 inch drive, shallow impact socket set. And then we went and got ourselves a new torque wrench, old fashioned, dial gauge, everything. That was, oh God, I don't know. Let me find this one. TQ FR250E. Oh. $250E. Bam. That's loading. You never seen daylight if I'm myself. Here we go. Where's that one? So 955 plus 389. I mean, this thing's pretty nice. Old school. And then we got a 10-piece metric ratcheting opening set. It was $500. Type that in for you guys to show you here. SRX RM710, enter. You never seen daylight if I'm a son. $429, so I mean 800 plus 900, that's $1,800 plus tax and shipping. Like, I literally just got this in. That's what you get for $2,000. It is. I mean, I like Snap-on, but I ain't a Snap-on person, and I did not pay nowhere near $2,000 for this. I walked out at $410. Lucky me, but that's tool haul. This is what you get for $2,000. And those things is what I wanted, really. I got accredited really well by my buddy. This one even comes with a sheet to break it down. Torque specs. And they give you a certification on it. But yeah, that's $2,000. That's the most expensive thing I have in my toolbox right now. And I've been building tools for the last 4 years.